Dear viewers, welcome. Today I want to show you how you can trim part of your video in Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. I will drag this video that I imported into timeline. So let's play. So maybe I want to trim some portion in the beginning of this video. You can see this here in here on the left of timeline. You can see this razor tool. So I just need to come here. I can just click there, then I will check select tool, then right click, then holding my shift in my keyboard, delete. So that the first portion is has been trimmed. So let's say I want to delete some portion in the in between the video, so in the middle of this video. So maybe I want to trim some parts here that I did not like. So there are two possible ways. The first one, just you make sure you check the razor tool. So click the first portion on the timeline where you want to trim, and the second one. So the first way is just the way we did after we have clicked the first and the second part of the timeline. I will just check this select tool, select that portion, holding shift in my keyboard, then delete using the delete button. So the delete button, not the backspace, okay, the delete button. Maybe I want to, the other way is just pick the razor tool, the first portion in the timeline, the second one, then select the select tool, check the select tool. I will check that one, right click, and then I will unlink. Then after I have unlinked, I can just select this portion and delete it, select this portion and delete. Now this is the second way. Then I will pick this and drag it back, then you can play. Make sure you got the step. So I need to go to what's the better? Make sure you got the step. So I need to go to. So that one I have deleted holding shift. That one I have deleted holding my shift key and my delete, not backspace, delete. But I don't know if you can use backspace. Let me try. So let's say I want to delete this last portion. So I just select it, and then let me hold backspace. Yeah, it is also, it can also do using the backspace button. So now you can see my time. My time is now 4 minutes 16 seconds, and the original time was 5 minutes 21 seconds. So you can see this time has reduced because we have trimmed a lot of portions. So we can now export this. Go to file, export media. So we're exporting. You can see this time is now just 4 minutes 16. So we have trimmed and removed those portions that we wanted. We don't want to see them, so I deleted. So and then export. So I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, please like for more videos like this, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.